In this video, I'll show you how to get a Polish citizenship. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so obtaining a Polish citizenship can be achieved through several different pathways, which include descent, naturalization, marriage, and other special circumstances. So I've outlined a detailed guide on how to acquire one. So the first way is citizenship by descent. So if you have a Polish ancestry, you may be eligible for citizenship by descent. Key points include proving Polish ancestry. You must provide documentation proving that at least one of your parents, grandparents, or great grandparents was a Polish citizen. And your ancestors must not have renounced their Polish citizenship as well. And then from there, you need to submit your application to the Polish consulate or the relevant administrative office in Poland. And now the second way is citizenship by naturalization. So foreign nationals who have been living in Poland may apply for citizenship through naturalization. Requirements include residency. So you must have illegally resided in Poland for a specific period, usually at least 3 years with a permanent residence permit. Stable income and accommodation. Demonstrate stable income and accommodation in Poland. Knowledge of Polish language. Prove proficiency in Polish, usually at the B1 level or higher. Integration. So show integration into Polish society, which includes understanding Polish culture, traditions, and their legal system. And the third way is citizenship by marriage. So spouses of Polish citizens can apply for citizenship. Requirements include, so residency, must have resided in Poland for at least 2 years. Marriage duration, must have been married to a Polish citizen for at least 3 years. And then you need to submit your application. Number 4, citizenship by presidential grant. So the president of Poland has authority to grant citizenship in special cases. This is usually reserved for individuals who have made significant contributions to Poland or have other compelling reasons. So the process of this includes submitting a petition to the President of Poland, provide documents supporting your case. And number 5 is citizenship for stateless persons. So stateless persons or refugees who have resided in Poland for a specific period, generally around 2 years or longer, may also apply for citizenship. So these requirements include reside in Poland for at least 2 years with a permanent residence permit, stable income and accommodation, and the knowledge of Polish language. And now the application process. So you want to gather all your documents, so such as your passport, birth certificates, proof of Polish ancestry, etc. And then from there, all applications can be submitted to the relevant administrative office in Poland or at a Polish consulate abroad. And then from there, you might be interviewed or have an examination. So from there, you need to demonstrate your knowledge of the Polish language and culture. And then once all said and done, if approved, you'll be granted Polish citizenship and can apply for a Polish passport. And now just some important considerations. So you want to get some legal assistance. So it might be beneficial to seek legal assistance, especially for complex cases. Poland allows dual citizenship, but you should check whether your home country permits it or not. And then ensure all documents are properly translated and authenticated is crucial for a smooth application process, because if it isn't, it'll just hinder your chances or make it longer. And yeah, for the most accurate and up-to-date information, it is advisable to consult the official website of the Polish Ministry of Foreign Affairs or contact the nearest Polish consulate.